Hi, people. Welcome to this video. This is Cognizant, Selenium, and Cucumber real interview questions for 5 to 10 years. Description: the job description involves 1 to 2 years of solid experience on BDD Cucumber. Second one is strong in Java API testing. Automation is a must in Postman as REST assured and SOAP. Third one is hands-on experience in test automation frameworks, Selenium, Playwright, and Cypress. So all these are must for them. The next one is strong coding knowledge on Java or JavaScript. Playwright question. So how do you handle asynchronous operations in Playwright? Second one is explain browser context. Third one is how do you handle dynamic elements in Playwright? Fourth one is how does Playwright handle authentication? So the basic authentication details it handles. Next one is how do you handle data-driven testing in Playwright? Cucumber questions. So what are the Cucumber hooks? How they are useful? How do you handle assertions in Cucumber? How do you handle test failures in Cucumber? Can you write an example on simple Cucumber feature file and its corresponding step definitions? Next one is how do you run only specific scenarios in Cucumber? Selenium questions. So first one is what are the components of Selenium? So it includes a grid, IDE, WebDriver like that. Next one is what are the locators available in Selenium? So write example for all the locators. Next one is what are the differences between XPath and CSS selectors? Next one is what is the difference between driver.get and driver.navigate? So next one is what is WebDriver wait? Last one is how would you handle JavaScript alerts in Selenium? Cypress questions. What is the difference between cy.get and cy.find in Cypress? Next one is how do you handle asynchronous code in Cypress? Next one is explain the following: cy.intercept, cy.wait, cy.debug, cy.pass, and cy.contains. API testing. So you need to explore your knowledge on the following tools you have used. That is Postman and SOAP and REST assured. Postman is a must one. Java question. So what is how Java is used in testing? So what is the purpose on making the testing with the help of Java? Next one is what is hash map? Write code on hash map operations with example. What is array list? Write code for array list operations with example. Next one is what are synchronous and asynchronous collections? Next one is what is volatile? JavaScript questions. What is currying? Write example. What is hoisting? Write example and explain. What is slicing and splicing in array manipulations? Write example and explain. And what is include function used in string and arrays? HR questions. How do you prioritize your tasks? How would you handle your failures? So based on your experience, you can answer. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Testing Labs A to Z. Thanks for watching.